Okay, first we're going to start off with some pineapple. Now you don't want to put too much in because you end up with way too much smoothie and then you can't drink it all. Organic blueberries. And I wash my hands, but just in case, I try not to touch my berries. Alright, so here we go. Roll that baby up, put it back. Organic strawberries. You only need about 2 or 3. That should do it. Get all the air out of your bag before you put it back. Organic bananas, which I've already frozen. I'm going to just put 1 banana in there. I like to break it up so it mixes a little bit easier when you put it in the Vitamix. Bam! From Costco, organic superfood power greens, chard, kale, spinach. I'm going to put a bunch of that in there. Get a big handful of it. Can never have too much of this. Good for the eyes. Alright, make sure that when you close up your bag, you get all the air out. Because 2 things can happen if I don't get all the air out. Number 1, when that screams and yells at me and hits me. Or number 2, it gets stale. Last but not least, organic sweet dark cherries. Super good for you. Pop it open, grab a couple, squeeze it, push the air out, squeeze it again, put it back. Alright, now we got most of the stuff that we need in there. Next, I'm going to grab flaxseed. And this is my flaxseed grinder. And I grind the flaxseed. And I want to get about 2 or 3 tablespoons worth in there. Getting close to the end. That's what she looks like. Let's get some more flaxseed. You can buy this on Amazon.com. Comes right to your door. You don't have to go anywhere. This thing works very easy. You just pop the top off. Pour some seeds in. I usually fill it right up. Right over there. Bam. Gonna pull her here. And here we go. Putting in the flaxseed. I like a lot of flaxseed. This is a super healthy vegan smoothie coming up. Yeah, that should do it. Put that back in there. We're going to grab some organic cinnamon. Put that in there. That's good for you. Now I got to grab a couple things out of the pantry. These are my secret ingredients. Pumpkin seeds, raw, shelled, and organic. So I'm going to pour some of those in there. Bam, done. Sometimes I put cashews and almonds. Today we're going with the pumpkin seeds. Next, we're going to open up our amylase. This is Indian gooseberry. We're just going to put a little bit in there. Just a small amount. Bam, done. Now to make it taste delicious, cacao powder. This makes it chocolatey, which I like it better. And this one I'm going to get a big heaping teaspoon and another one. Push it down so we get all the air out. Close it up. Organic dried cranberries. It's a how to make how to make a awesome vegan. All right, we're ready to go now.
You also have how to pick up all the shit off the ground.
Oh, this is my happy lady. She's super happy. Now I'm gonna fill this with water most of the way. This is filtered water. We're gonna put a little bit of this almond milk. Sometimes I just use cashews and filtered water, but this will work. This gives it a little creamy taste. A lot of activity here. Now, put the top on. Gotta make sure it's turned on as you press this button down here and it Put that in there so you don't want it to squirt on the ceiling. There we go. Let's give it one more run. All right, that's it. Now we're going to test her out and see how delicious it is. So, do it this way so you can see. Look at that. Looks like chocolate milk, chocolate sundae. Good. Cheers.